This weekend is the annual Boat, Sports, Travel, RV, and Hunting Show at the La Crosse Center. The show opened last night and promises a little something for everyone. Nick Adams is live at the La Crosse Center right now with a look at what visitors can expect to see this weekend. Good morning, Nick.
Jen, good morning. You're not wrong. There is something for everyone here. We're currently at the trout pond. They have a trout pond here for kids to practice fishing, and they're very elusive, but it looks like we got our first catch of the day. A beautiful little rainbow trout here. Oh, he's lively. Yeah, so they have a trout pond here for people to catch fish if they'd like. And that's just one of the many, many entertainment options. I'm going to drop this bad boy back in the water, and we're going to take a look at what else they have to offer here today. Joining me this morning is Ron Murphy of the La Crosse Boat, RV, Sport, Hunting Expo this weekend extravaganza. There's a lot going on. What else do you have besides the trout pond for people to enjoy?
Well, actually, we've taken the ballroom, and so we have, I think, about 74 exhibits up there. And then everything down here, so 100% of this building is occupied with hunting, fishing. If you're looking to take a trip, whether it's to go to Africa or whether it's to go to Alaska or any of the other provinces of Canada or in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Nebraska, whatever, all those chambers are here, and they're not here to sell you anything. They'll just give you the literature. You can go back and make your own plans.
It's fantastic. Let's walk around and show the folks here what we've got going on. There's boats and hunting vendors everywhere. How many different vendors do you bring in for this event?
This event right here this year has about 290.
That's a big number. Now, you're here all weekend through Sunday. What time do the doors open?
Today they open at 10 o'clock in the morning, Nick, and they go until 9 tonight. Tomorrow they open at 10. Till 9, and then on Sunday from 10 until 4.
Okay, and is there anything new here this year?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I mean, first of all, everything upstairs is new. I think we have 2 companies out of Africa. The Parakeet Landing that I showed you upstairs, which we haven't had a chance to shoot yet, that's really a unique thing. I've got a group called Mac and the Big Cheese. They have a syndicated TV show in California, and they're very, very good. They're funny and they cook, and so if you want something that's really neat to eat, come down here, they'll give it to you. They'll cook it.
It sounds great. Now, if people want to find out more about the show this weekend, information, where can they go?
Well, they can go to a number of different sources. There are plenty of ads in the papers or on your station, but they can also go to our website at Shamrock, SHAMROCK, PROD.com, and then you'll see a number of shows. Look for the La Crosse one, punch on it, and it'll tell you everything you need to know. Okay,
that sounds fantastic. Now, real quick, if we just take a look here at some of these boats, these are some pretty special rigs here.
Yeah, they are. I mean, the best part about all of this is you have factory representation here. So they're not trying to hard sell you. They'll tell you why their boat is the best and let you make your own decision. But there's some really neat stuff. I think this one's about 68,000 for this one. That's on the high end, obviously. Pontoons anywhere from about 7,000, 6 to 7,000 up to over 100.
Wow, and they cover a wide range of boats, a wide range of prices, a little something for everyone, and if people want to just come and look, they're more than welcome to.
You bet they are. And there's RVs, there's motorhomes, there's tent trailers, travel trailers. And again, the exciting part about this, not only are there all kinds of boats and RVs, but the camps that are here from Canada, the travel destinations that you can choose from, those are the ones that are really good.
Awesome. Ron, thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Very much, Nick.
Jen, Bill, the expo here has a little something for everyone. If you're looking to get outdoors at any point this summer, at any point still this winter, this is the place to be to check out all of your options. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Nick, thanks very much. You need to head back and unhook that fish now. I feel bad for that fish. As Nick mentioned, the show is going to run through Sunday. The doors open at 10 each morning. And if you would like more information on vendors, on the entertainment, you can visit sportshowwi.com.